Hey ladies, listen to this, okay? When I walk into a room with my man, I do not worry about what the most beautiful woman in that room will do to get my man's attention. I don't care about that woman. I am only concerned with my man's reaction or if my man would even look back to that woman. Okay? Because if my man is truly mine, there is no amount of temptation or beauty or sexiness that will ever make him forget about me or would ever make him forget who he went into the room with. Okay? So always remember that. If your man is truly yours, there's nothing in this world could ever make him forget about you, leave you, or even check on other women. Remember that, okay? Have a great day, everyone. Bye.